What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and in today's video we're going to go grab our CyberTruck back from Tesla. I got a wonderful person here to help me bring back both vehicles. I looked at trying to take Uber, but does anybody else realize that Uber rates have got like outrageous now? It's like $50 to get across town. Like, what the F, man? Nah, I'd just take a straight up cab if they would come out to the house. Like, yo, what the hell? Oh, needless to say, we're on the way down there. I'm going to pick up the CyberTruck. We're going to see if it's actually fixed and see if there's any other issues with it. But this will be one last. It's already two. If it does it again, we only got one more shot before it's a wrap for the CyberTruck. So we'll see. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and roll the intro and get into the nitty-gritty good stuff. Roll. All right, guys, so we got her back, man. We're gonna see if hopefully this time it's good. The other thing that aggravates me is they did charge it some. I did drop it off with almost, I don't know, no charge. But now I got to run to the supercharger to plug this thing in. So I also got an option today, and I'm debating on whether or not I take it. And then I'm considering something. I mean, look, the giveaway we did, or currently going on for the Model S, has done good. It looks like I'm actually going to break even on that car. I don't know if it'd be more interest if I gave away a CyberTruck or my Ram, or another Ram or another truck. I'm debating it because, we kind of did the Model S giveaway. It was pretty straightforward.
Turn left onto Roy Horn Way.
And it was easy. But I'm debating on, well, first we're going to talk about what some of my options were with Tesla, which I was shocked because of the issue that this thing was having. So we're going to discuss that, and we're going to talk about whether I should take them up on the offer that they made me an offer to basically. Well, let's get into it. So they made me an offer with this CyberTruck where they're saying that they believe the issue is resolved, right? Okay. If the issue is resolved, we shouldn't have any more problems. I should be good, right? This shouldn't be a problem. All right. Tesla has made the offer of basically exchanging. Now, remember mine, when I purchased this, it was a demo, right? It had miles on it. Exchanging my Foundation series for another new Foundation series. And I'd still have the same warranty, wouldn't lose anything, wouldn't lose any of the charging abilities, any of that, right? Still don't have to pay to charge the damn thing, still don't have to pay for anything, right? So that's an option. Yeah, this thing feels like, I feel like the regenerative braking is like harder all of a sudden. So that's an option. And we can talk about it. Yeah, my thing is, I almost feel like I'm almost done, right? I feel like I'm almost done with the CyberTruck stuff, and maybe I should buy a Plaid, right? Like, just get out of this completely and get a Plaid. Now, take the brand new one they're offering me and then trade that for a Plaid. Or see if maybe they'll work out something on a Plaid and kick me back some money. I'll tell you why. What Tesla has been doing recently, and I don't know if you know about this or not, with lemon law, right? If you have a vehicle that's going to be lemon lawed, a lot of times, especially if you're represented, and I already have counsel for it, if you're represented, they'll ask you to retain the vehicle and give you a bunch of money to keep it. Like, basically, it's not a free car, but I'll give you an example. Like, if Tesla goes, hey, we'll give you 40 grand we'll keep you keep the warranty and all the other stuff, right? You don't lose that, and they'll continue to fix the issue, or they'll say, hey, we'll give you another one and some money if you don't lemon law the vehicle. Because so for manufacturers, it looks bad when you have lemon law. So they'll do this thing where they try to pay you money and retain the vehicle. I actually got a homie in California that does that when the vehicles ain't right, man, and makes out pretty good. Now, I did that on my Audi S8. I did that on a Volkswagen CC back in like 2013, I think, 2014, with Volkswagen in North America. They literally just paid me. They were like, here's 20 grand, keep the Volkswagen, and don't lemon law. And I did, because I only owned the Volkswagen CC for like 23 grand. So I basically got a free car out of it. And they did replace the transmission twice. After they replaced that transmission the second time, they found out it was a switch or something in the shifter that was causing it to go to drive and do the flashing D, neutral, go to this flashing D thing. Needless to say, the car was fine after that. And I basically got that car after the payout for 3 grand. So yeah, I drove the wheels off that damn thing. But when you look at like that option, because of how expensive this truck is and was, I mean, it was like 103 whatever out with everything. That's registered, done, everything. 103 grand. I don't know if I'd be okay with them giving me 30 or 40 grand and telling me to keep it. And then, okay, then I'm like, all right, cool. I could give it away on the channel, right? We could sell a ton of merch. I probably could come out of this truck, you know, either at zero or maybe even ahead. Maybe there's interest for these and somebody wants to win one by buying a t-shirt or something. Maybe. I don't know. I just don't see it. So I think we're going to go back to because the Model S now, the Model S we currently have is gone. We're giving that away. So we're going to have to, if I want to keep a Tesla, I'm going to have to buy another one. And I don't like the Model. I'm not hating on the Model 3. I just see all the issues that my buddy Dizzle in Motion has with his, and he's got the long range, and the range on that thing sucks balls. It's friggin' horrible. So you have that.
Now turn left onto West Warren Springs Road.
And then you have, this. And the range on this for me has been good. I haven't had any issues with the range, right? The range for me has been solid. So I don't see the need for a 3. I like the Model S because it's a car, but I do like this because it's a truck. And if people say, oh, it's not really a truck. It's a truck, man. I can put stuff in the back. I get a little bit over 300 miles of range in this damn thing. It's fast as hell, but I will be honest, it is not as comfortable as my Ram. It 100% is not. It is nowhere near as comfortable as my Ram. My Ram is so much more comfortable. My field of view, I feel, in this is a little better than the Ram. Like, because, you got this huge-ass window, right? My field of view is a little bit better in this, but I don't know, man. I don't know. We're going to have to see. But this last time, they had the truck for 16 days. That's almost half of the time that I've owned this truck. 16 days did they have it in there. Now, granted, I was on the road. I could have picked it up yesterday or day before yesterday, but whatever. But, yeah. I mean, look, I'm not like upset or mad about it. I expected this. Like when you buy something and it costs a ton of money, you expect it to just work or just be a great product. I'm like that with my BMWs, right? Like if I buy one, especially if it's expensive, I just expect the damn thing to work, right? I expect it to be what it's supposed to be, Anywho's, let's get some juice in this damn thing, being that I'm on fumes, basically on fumes in this friggin' thing. That's the other thing I like about this, right? the one thing I do like about this is it charges so much faster than the Model S. It just does. Now maybe the new Plaid charges faster than these older ones. I mean, than my older one, the P100D did, but I don't know. Whee! Plug this damn thing in. The drive-by-wire thing is kind of cool, but it also scares the shit out of me, if you want me to be honest with you. All right, hopefully I'm in the right spot there. Park. All right. Let's go plug the damn thing in. All right. We got her plugged in. We'll let that do its thing for a little bit. So I'm looking to see what maintenance they're saying was completed, but I'm not seeing where they fixed this issue, which it should be in this. It should show up in here 100%. Needless to say, I'm debating. I don't know. I don't know how we should do it. See, like this thing right now is charging at over 300 kilowatt hours, and the P100D like tops out at like 150, 160. If it's cool out. If it's hot out, it'll do it at like, I don't know, 190, somewhere around there. But yeah, now it dropped down. Now it's down to 230 kilowatt hours. But we'll get some charge in here. But that was the thing I wanted to ask. What do you think? What do you think we should do? Should I take the offer, exchange it for another truck with no miles? Or do I wait for it to break again, start the lemon law process, try to do a retain, right? Try to retain it, make them pay me some money, and then either just enjoy the truck and drive it or give it away. Do like a giveaway on it. I'm debating. I'm genuinely debating. Oh well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But we have it. I'm not seeing the issue, like the thing isn't popping back up about the ride height issue, and it looks like she's sitting up like she's supposed to with the suspension. So maybe they fixed it. Maybe the issue is resolved. We'll see. But there you have it. Been crazy, man. I've been doing a lot of work. I've been getting videos and stuff done for the news with TK. You know, if you haven't saw the stuff that just came out here recently about the Epstein stuff, it's been nuts. And I've been just killing the videos, man. I've been trying to get stuff done, man. But there you have it. It's back. We'll get back to making some content with this thing. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends. Let me know what we should do with it. Let me know what we should do with it. Should I just go get a Plaid? Like, turn this in and get a Plaid? Or do we try to see if the issues are resolved? Let me know.
For the longest time